Good morning, guys. These are the one I bought yesterday in Wairika. We shop there in Wairika. I will use this in cooking this Christmas and New Year. Tomatoes. I have papaya, cabbage. What is that? Mung bean sprout. Ampalaya, kale. Peppers, and these are for salads. This is a Chinese vegetable. It's like green. I don't know what is the name, but it's a Chinese vegetable. You just saute it in any sauce you like. Garlic, lots of garlic. You can saute in lots of garlic, salt and garlic. And cabbage, I use for the pancit. This one, tomatoes, I use for sauce for the beef stew. May ampalaya, may kale. Thank you, guys.